Hi everyone, let's watch a video on obesity management. Do you know what is obesity? According to World Health Organization, obesity happens when there is abnormal or excessive fat accumulation in the body, which lead to health problems. Statistics have shown that the prevalence of obesity has been increasing drastically since 1996, from 4% to 18% in 2050. This means 1 out of 3 people in Malaysia is obese. Obesity-related conditions include stroke, heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. These are some leading causes of death. Do you know that diet plays a big role in managing your weight? One of the ways to practice healthy diet is to make a smarter food choice by learning to read the nutrition facts label. Does this look familiar to you? Guess what? You can find it on every food package. Nutritional facts label present the essential nutrient values of what the food contains. By understanding what nutritional facts label is telling you, will help you to make smart choices. First, check the serving size. Serving size tells you the amount of food contained in one serving. Bear in mind that one package of food may contain more than one serving. Next, look at the calories. It tells you how much energy you are consuming. If you consume more energy than your body is using, you will gain weight. Always pay attention to these nutrients. These are the nutrients that you should limit: total fat, saturated fat, sugar, and sodium. If you want to check if the value is optimal, please refer to this. However, dietary fiber is something you need more. Always opt for products which has higher fiber as healthy choice. After looking at the nutritional fat label, don't forget to look at the food ingredient. The food ingredients are always arranged from the most to the least amount of ingredient content. In this example, cereal is the ingredient which has the highest quantity, whereas sugar is listed as the second ingredient, indicating second highest in quantity. Certain amount of salt is also added into this product. All major allergens such as peanut will be declared on this label, so make sure you check. Here are some alternative names which you can take note of to identify sugar and fat. Beware of the claims sugar-free or fat-free. Many people will misunderstand it as zero sugar or zero fat. In fact, fat or sugar is still existed in the food. However, the amount of fat or sugar is limited within the standard range set by Ministry of Health Malaysia. Finally, use the nutritional facts label to compare food. Use 100 gram or 100 milliliter as the standard for comparison. While choosing your food, consider different nutrients on the label. Do not make decisions based on only one nutrient. Finally, here are the 6 things to remember in order for you to make smarter food choice. Serving size, calories, control certain nutrients, hidden sugar or fat. Take note of sugar-free or fat-free. Compare food using the standard amount 100 gram or 100 milliliter. That's it. Now, it's your move to desire your own health. But don't forget to talk to a dietitian to help you further.